Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a concept in science fiction movies. It's a powerful tool that businesses are using to streamline operations, make better decisions, and gain a competitive edge. But how can you, as a business owner or manager, leverage the power of AI? Let's dive into some practical applications of AI in the business world. Part 1. Understanding AI in business. AI at its core is about teaching computers to learn from data and make decisions. In business, this can be anything from predicting customer behavior to automating routine tasks. It's important to understand that AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how it's used. Part 2. Choosing the right AI tools. With a plethora of AI tools available, selecting the right one can be overwhelming. Consider factors like the size of your business, your industry, and the specific problem you're trying to solve. Some popular AI tools include chatbots, machine learning platforms, and data analytics tools. Part 3. Data is the fuel for AI. AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on. Ensure you have high-quality, relevant data to feed into your AI systems. This data should be accurate, complete, and representative of the problem you're trying to solve. Part 4. Starting small. Begin by implementing AI in a small area of your business. This could be automating customer service inquiries or optimizing your marketing campaigns. Once you've achieved success with a small-scale project, you can gradually expand your AI initiatives. Part 5. The human element. While AI can automate many tasks, it's important to remember that humans still play a crucial role. AI should be seen as a tool to augment human capabilities, not replace them. Successful AI implementation requires a combination of human expertise and machine intelligence. Part 6. Ethical considerations. As you integrate AI into your business, it's important to consider the ethical implications. Ensure that your AI systems are unbiased, fair, and transparent. Address any potential privacy concerns and be prepared to explain how your AI models make decisions. Part 7. Continuous learning and adaptation. The field of AI is constantly evolving. To stay ahead, it's important to continuously learn and adapt. Attend workshops, conferences, and online courses to stay updated on the latest trends and best practices. Conclusion. AI offers businesses a wealth of opportunities. By understanding the basics of AI, choosing the right tools, and approaching implementation with a strategic mindset, you can harness the power of AI to drive growth and efficiency in your business.